Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve, and today I wanted to shoot a quick video for you showing you one of the best inexpensive vlogging setups for beginners. And I use the word inexpensive lightly because camera equipment is expensive in general, but compared to some of the other cameras out there, this would be considered inexpensive, but not cheap. But I do want to preface, if you're just starting out and you think you have to buy brand new gear, you don't have to. You could always start vlogging with your camera. Your iPhone and your Android phone both shoot 1080p HD. They both probably shoot 4K. They're both fine to begin your vlogging journey. But if you have a little money saved up, this is a great entry-level vlogging setup. And I will start by showing you. And yes, I'm not the first, but the Canon M50 was my first mirrorless camera, and it was my first entry into vlogging. I currently now have a Sony a7 III, and I just purchased a new vlogging camera from Sony, which I'll do a video later. But let's talk about the Canon M50. Now, there's a million videos on YouTube, so I don't have to get too deep into it. But for a beginner, you want to shoot in good quality video. The Canon M50 takes very good quality videos. All you need as a beginner is 1080p. This shoots 1080p up to 60 frames per second. It has awesome facial recognition. So when you have it all set up, vlogging needs to be on your face. It's going to lock onto your face and the focus is going to be perfect almost. It's really, really good. I don't suggest shooting too much in 4K on this. And I notice when I watch back my videos, the 4K is a little choppy and the focus comes in and out. So it does shoot 4K, but you don't need to. Just shoot 1080p and you'll be good to go. It's quicker to get into YouTube when you upload it, and the video will most likely render quicker than a 4K video. So you're a beginner, don't worry about 4K. You're just getting into it. You just want to record your videos and get it uploaded. So this little setup I have here, as you can see, I have the Canon M50. I also have an iGadgets little tripod that I got on Amazon. This was 20 bucks. And then I have my Rode Video Micro. This is a perfect vlogging setup. The Canon screen flips out. It rotates. That's perfect. So when you're vlogging, it's really light, as you can see. It comes with the kit lens. I do suggest purchasing the Canon M50 or the Canon M50 Mark II with the kit lens, because if you don't purchase it with this, you have to buy it separately anyway, and it's fine for vlogging. Let's get into the price now. Remember, I said inexpensive in comparison to some other cameras and microphones. The iGadgets tripod that I have here, I'll link below. I got it on Amazon. This was, I think, $18. So maybe $20 after tax. The Canon M50, now the Mark I, you probably would have to buy used. If you could get it under $500, that would be great. But if you have to buy the Mark II, I believe that is $650 or $700 with the kit lens. So right there we'll say $700. That's $720. And then the Rode Video Micro microphone is $60. So for under 800 bucks, you're ready to go. You have your setup right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, yes. And then you're good to go. You probably already have a computer or a PC or a Mac. Once you record your video and you have it on the memory card, you have to transfer the video, obviously, to edit on your computer to get it to YouTube. I think the Canon M50, and don't quote me on this because I'm not 100% sure, I read that you could upload directly from the camera to social media. I don't know how true that is, and I don't think I would want to do that anyway because I've already had to stop and cut 4 or 5 times in this video. So you really need to edit your videos. Speaking of cost in comparison to cameras, I purchased my Sony a7 III because I wanted to get out and take more pictures. So this camera, when I purchased it, I think was $650. and my Sony a7 III was almost $2,000. So you may ask, why don't I vlog with the better camera? It doesn't make sense. It is a better camera, yes, and I have my Rode VideoMic Pro, which is a better microphone, but vlogging is about comfort, quality and comfort. So right here, mic, camera, tripod. All right. If I wanted to vlog with my Sony a7 III, look at what I have to do. This is my entire setup with the nice Canon M50. This would just be the tripod I would need to use. So imagine that. This tripod with this big camera and a bigger microphone, it's just too heavy to carry around for 20-30 minutes. That's why most people you see online, when all they do is vlogging, they have really small cameras. And the Canon M50 for the past 3 or 4 years has been one of the most popular. And this was going to be called like the best inexpensive vlogging setup, but I'm getting my Sony ZV-E10 on Wednesday, so now I have to do a comparison with that. And that's been getting rave reviews as well. So we'll see. Canon M50 versus Sony that I'm going to get on Wednesday. But for the purpose of this video, like I said, if you're new to vlogging, the first thing you should be thinking about is getting your content up, not new equipment. Just try to start with your phone. Shoot some nice 1080p videos, or even shoot 4K with your phone. Get used to recording, get used to uploading, and then when you want to get some better sound, better video quality, more professional setup, you want to get outside and you just don't want to hold your phone in your hand, you know, you'd rather have a camera, I do suggest the Canon M50 or the Canon M50 Mark II. And as I said before, this setup here, Canon M50 Mark II, about $700. The Rode VideoMic, $60, and the iGadgets little tripod here was $20. And it's pretty cool because it's handheld and you could put it on a desk because it opens up like that. So there you have it. I highly suggest the Canon M50 in this setup if you're a beginner and you have the extra money to spend. It's a bit under 800 bucks, but you'll be off and running in no time. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comments below. If you have more questions and I didn't answer them all in here, let me know in the comments below. Maybe I'll shoot a video for that. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace, guys.